Did you miss us?
Because we definitely missed you.
The quality of inviting international lecturers into one's classroom lies in broadening the global perspectives of both students and teachers, while bridging the gap between theoretical concepts and diverse, real-world international practices.
In line with this, the UCEP Language Department, a CHED-recognized Center of Development in English, remains committed to upholding high educational standards and aligning with global perspectives in applied linguistics for undergraduate and graduate students, faculty members, researchers, advocates, and community partners.
It is through this commitment that the ILMU International Lecture Series on Applied Linguistics continues to take shape.
Drawing its name from the Arabic word ilm, meaning knowledge, the lecture series reflects a shared pursuit of deeper understanding of language and culture through meaningful international academic exchange.
In 2024, we were joined by esteemed applied linguistics scholars, Dr. Paulo Colucci, Dr. 𝐸𝐿MU David, and Dr. Mohamed H. Alakad of the University Malaya in Kuala Lumpur.
Dr. 𝒃𝒓𝒊𝒏𝒈 of Prince of Songkla University in Thailand, and Dr. Gerald Roche of La Trobe University in Australia,
who open our minds to language revitalization, language policy,
linguistic landscape, and language oppression. Then in 2025, the conversation grew even wider,
with Dr. Muhammad Ali Al-Sagaf of Xiamen University, Malaysia, Dr. Ali Soraya Azhar of the University Malaya in Kuala Lumpur,
Dr. Curtis Green Enix of the University of Nottingham, Ningbo, China, Dr. Othman Z. Barnawi of Yanbu Colleges and Institutes, Saudi Arabia,
Dr. Mathmaina of University Al-Asiraya Mandar, Indonesia, and Dr. Jacopo Castaldi of the School of Social Work, Education and Teacher Education at Canterbury Christ Church University, United Kingdom,
who extended our knowledge on translation, multilingualism,
decolonization, and multimodality. And now,
2026, we are back!
This 7th edition of the ILMU International Lecture Series on Applied Linguistics is here to bring fresh international voices, adding variety to the classroom routine and making even complex or seemingly dull topics more engaging and exciting.
This 7th edition opens new opportunities to establish connections with international experts in applied linguistics, leading to mentorships, internships, research collaborations, and even future career opportunities.
So whether you're a student, educator, or researcher,
this is your space to learn, reflect, and connect.
Join us, your hosts,
𝒍𝒆💏
and Ashlee Inso,
for this new, enriching,
thought-provoking, and exciting
the 7th edition of the ILMU International Lecture Series on Applied Linguistics.
Let us continue the journey of ILMU together.